Let me start. Online team, I hope you guys are able to hear my voice clearly. Can I get one response from anyone? Can somebody respond, please? Online team. Okay, good. Fine, let me create running notes for today. If anyone missed out yesterday's session, sir, no words to say actually. Why? Because important session. Yesterday's session is a very, very important actually. And still we are continuing the same. And we can close today. 85. And there are some few examples also we are doing actually. Examples and the date is 12. Make a note on this. Good. Let us make it still, it is the same topic. 12. Okay. Team, yesterday we done practically the example. Am I right? And prediction also we done. Let me keep this example so that I can continue. It's a kind of some recap. Then let's continue. I'll explain the example one more time. Then you will get a clarity. We'll do one thing. I hope you know. So whenever you're working with the machine learning, ensure that these are all flow is important actually. The first one is called as a ML flow. The next one is called as a ML steps actually. When I'm talking about the ML flow, kind of some data, data frame. The next one is what exactly? Feature engineering, array. Come on, sir. Machine learning algorithm, cost, also called as a error. This you can also call as a error cost function. Next one will be gradient descent algorithm, increase accuracy, reduce error. One more word let me add actually. Error two types. The first one will be bias error. The next one will be variance error. Understand the terminology. Slowly by slowly you need to adapt actually. Madam, when I say error, two types. One is bias, the next one will be variance. What is a bias? What is variance? Upcoming topic. If you look at our material, maybe let me open the material. Come on, everybody look at our screen. 1 minute actually. And here I will talk with you. What do you mean by bias and variance? More actually. Ayo, somewhere. Yeah, bias and variance trade-off. That is upcoming topic. Right? As of now, uh, just try to remember the terminology. ML steps. Any machine learning algorithm will follow some common steps actually. Those steps would be importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation, splitting the data set, model creation, model training. Next one is a prediction. We are good to go, I guess, actually, right? This is very important. Make a note on this. Now here is the story. Uh, fine. So I hope yesterday we already done the example. Quickly, let me execute the example so you'll get a clear picture. Okay. Quickly, let me execute the example. I would like to use Notepad. We are importing the required libraries. Now, next step will be loading the data set. then you will get an error. What is that error? File not found error. I'm sure you know how to fix that error. Am I right? You can just try to come here, pull the file. Now, I hope home prices. Yes, sir. Let me run this one. Let us do all steps in one shot actually, sir. Loading the, have you done example practice? I'm sure you done. You already done the practice, I guess, actually. Okay. Data preparation. Splitting the data set as of now optional. The next one will be model creation. What is the next one? Model training. Yeah, good. The next step is called as a prediction. Next step is called as a very simple machine learning algorithm we done, sir, actually. End to end we done. Right. Let me just try to execute this example. There is a data. The data set is kind of some area. And definitely for area is increasing, automatically the price also increasing. What is increasing, sir? Price also. Now we done some prediction for, imagine 3500 square foot actual. I'm sorry, 3400 square foot. I just wanted to know how much prediction. And then you have to make a note on this one. 6,42,000. These are all. We are good to go, I guess. We understand. Team, let me tell you. Right. Now model is ready. Now model will do the prediction. Now our main motto will be, when I'm talking about the linear regression, by using linear regression, what is the main motto, you know? The main motto is what exactly, you know, sir? Think like this one is y-axis, this one is x-axis. Now we have plotted the data. We have plotted what exactly? Data. Go back to the maths actually. Exactly the meaning of regression, what I told you know, draw a line over the data. Now we need to draw. With model, with what exactly, sir? Model, with model, we need to draw a line. Get ready with model. You need to draw a line actually. You just need to draw a line. Yeah, indirectly this line, it will be helpful for you to do the prediction with the new data point. To do the prediction with what exactly? Okay, let's do that actually. You will get an idea. I'm going to do that. Get ready for this. You can just try to open. Good. You can just try to make a note on this. These are all things we done. Yeah, best fitted line. Get ready. Now, yes, this line we are going to draw. Let me help you how to draw that line. You will get an idea actually. The first step will be as usual. What is the first step, you know, sir? Importing the libraries. Yes, as usual, you need to do. Let me implement this example. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm doing copy paste, but I'm sure I will explain the piece of code actually. You can easy to understand. First of all, we are importing three libraries. First library is called as a pandas. The main motto is, by using pandas, pandas is for loading the data. Simple, one line sentence. Matplotlib is for data visualization. sklearn for machine learning. sklearn for machine learning. That's it. Loading the data set. Yeah, Daniel. We can load the data set by using read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV is a function which is available in pandas actually. Now the next one will be, we are preparing the data. We are preparing what exactly, sir? Data. That is called as a data preparation. Yeah, Daniel, the data is ready. Can we do actually data preparation? Can I make it like X and Y? Is it okay for you? Yeah. Chaptara, what is X actually here? New df dot perfect. The next one, df of Chapan sir. Price, very good. Price dot what exactly? Values. I no need to talk more like a array, kind of some column row. By this time you should have. ఈ పాటికి మీకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి. Okay. Move on. Next one will be model creation. What is the next one? Model creation. I'm sure you already know. Let us create the model. Model equals to linear regression. Model creation is done. Model is ready. What is ready, sir? Model is ready actually. One step I made it like a optional. What is that? Why? Very good. Because of small scale data, also called as a small data, less data. Now move to the next one. Yeah, model training we need to do. So to train the model, model dot fit method we need to call. Sir, get ready x comma y. Yeah, Daniel, model is ready. Now we need to use this model to draw a line over the data. We need to use this model to draw a line over the data. How to draw that line, you know? Get ready, sir. First of all, let us just try to, we are going to plot on x-axis area, y-axis price, x-axis area and y-axis price actually. And we are just trying to going to draw scatter. First of all, I will explain this theory. Hold on. I will explain this theory, sir. Please try to understand actually what we are doing, you know. Understand this. Can I take it like a df.x? X you can take directly. Anyway, scatter plot we are taking, existing input we are taking. What we are taking? Still you can take directly like x actually, that is still okay. And the next one will be what exactly, sir? Existing output. That word is important. Original input and original output we are taking, we are plotting. Yeah. Think like this is exactly stocks data. What data? Stocks data. Now they wanted to do the prediction. They wanted to do what exactly? Now they already prepared machine learning algorithm. By using that algorithm, they need to draw a line over the data. If they draw a line over the data, what is advantage, you know, sir? The advantage will be, yeah, good. You know, you can just say to the line supposed to be travel from here to here, here to here. It's supposed to be near almost all data points actually. Oh, I can tell one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 data points would you have. But if you draw a line, let me tell you, many data points you can do actually. You can just have to take for 3400. Definitely there is a respective value. What is the respective value? Kind of some 6,40,000 actually. I'm sorry, I don't have a scale. Yeah, but we got a right value actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good, make a note on this one. Here, who is helping? Line is helping. What is helping? Now let us draw that line actually. How to draw that line? I'm going to help you. Yeah. Sir, first of all, to draw a line, we need to call a function. Function name is a plot. To draw a line, try to take existing input only. Existing? Okay. Now hold on. Daniel, PLT dot, not, you know, so plot actually. Plot. Oh, sorry, not PLT. Am I right? I hope I then alias also PLT. Oh, sure. PLT dot, plot actually. Sir, here is the story. You have to take existing input only. But output should be, you have to take prediction output. What output, sir? Yeah, now here you need to call a model. Model dot predict of area you need to provide actually. Come on, model dot predict of what we need to provide, you know, here, sir. Now just try to provide input you need to provide. What is the input here actually? Area. What is the input here actually? Area. Now let me tell you. Did you remember? This is syntax. It returns what exactly, you know, sir? Single column data frame. What data frame? But predict method need array. Predict method need what exactly? Then convert this one into values. That's it. You're almost very near actually. Now color equals to blue. You can just try to call here and color equals to what is this one, sir? Blue actually. Now get ready. Perfect. You understand, I guess. Very good, man. Very good. Make a note on this one. Sir, I'm repeating again. Look at the example. Scatter plot we have created by using existing data, original data. But we have created a line by taking the help of model. By taking the help of, now this line is called as a regression line. This line is called as a prediction line. This line is called as a best fitted line. Many names it is having actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. If you want, you can go back to the mass. R squared I covered actually. What I covered, sir? R squared. I mean to say this one is a original data and this one is a prediction value. This one is prediction value. This one is original value. You know, original value and prediction value actually. Did you remember R squared actually? What R squared will tell me? Good. Let me tell you. R squared will tell you either your prediction is near or far. Either your prediction is a near or far. Near or far. Either top or bottom. If it is a top, positive error. If it is a bottom, negative error. Very good. Very good. Great, man. You know, we done this example. We have created a plot. A regression line we have draw actually. Make a note on this. The last example. For today's session, I mean not today's session, for the simple linear regression, this is the last example. Make a note on this. Sir, go back. I just wanted to go back to the previous example. Yeah, Daniel, take this example one more time. I'm doing copy paste again. First time I'm not done copy paste. We are typing the example. Now we are doing prediction here actually. We are doing prediction. What exactly mean here? Good. Now here predict method taking only one input actually. Taking only one input and we are getting one prediction value. But sometimes the client will give, imagine my brother have given lot of inputs actually. Array Daniel, this predict method is working for single input actually. Now do one thing. Take this data set. You have to remember, did I upload a data set yesterday? Don't say no actually, I uploaded. I uploaded actually, I still remember. If you say no, you are skipping the practice I guess actually. Now my brother have given, okay, a CSV file data. Quite interesting. CSV file data he has given. And my brother is telling, do the prediction for all these areas actually. Do the prediction. Are you with me, sir? Simple. We can do like this actually. What we need to do, you know, first of all, load this CSV file. That's what we are doing actually. The scenario will be by using above model, we can do prediction for group of prices also, group of home prices. For areas, group of prices we can do actually. Model is ready. Below the model, listen carefully. Below the model, try to read the data. Try to read the data. Come on, sir. Area underscore df equals to. I can type the example here. This is single value prediction. Area underscore df. చెప్తారా sir? pd dot read underscore csv. Now what is the sales area dot areas dot csv. Good. You can just have to make a note on this. Successfully. First of all, we have loaded. Now this loaded data set we need to pass to model. We need to pass to simple man. Model will do prediction like this. Model predict is a method. It is such a powerful enough. It is such a powerful. It will do prediction on single value. It will still do prediction on, you know, group of values as well. Yeah. We have data. Yeah. Once the model is ready, it will do prediction on unknown data sets actually. That's the power of machine learning algorithm. If it is doing the prediction with the well-known data set, that we also can do actually. Your question is valid. Did you understand? We have only 4 data points we trained. But now we are doing prediction for with a lot of values. That's the beauty with the machine learning algorithm actually. Okay. 1 minute somebody is asking. Somebody is asking a question. The question will be, where is the predicted value coming from? Predicted values are coming from model, sir. I'm sorry. I hope, did you understand or not? Siddiq sir, go back here. Now you are calling predict method. This one is input you are providing. What you are providing? Input you are providing. The moment whenever you are providing the input actually, now model is doing the prediction and it is printing the predictions one single output value actually. Siddiq sir, ensure that one small little round of provision is required actually. Okay, back to the session. Yeah, area DF is ready. Now move on, sir. Get ready, man. What we are doing here, we are calling predict method. What method? Predict method. And though this one is a data frame, again predict method need array data. What data? Convert into array. Convert into? Very simple. We can do actually. We can just have to come here. Prices equals to model dot what method? Predict method. Chapter sir, what we need to do? Area underscore predict dot values. Wow. All prices are ready. All prices are ready actually. All prices are ready for all areas. Can I say that actually? I'm repeating again. All prices are ready for what exactly? Areas actually. We'll do one thing. Now, here it having all prices value. Here it having all what exactly? Prices value. If you are printing here, you will get output in the command prompt actually. You will get output in what exactly? But instead of that one, we will do one thing. Anyway, we already having arrays underscore df, right? That is a data frame. Let us add a column. Let us add a column. Column with the name of what exactly? Prices. You will get a clarity actually, right? Now you can just try to come here. Area df. I hope left hand side if you are able to see this kind of syntax actually. I can say new prices. What prices mean? New price. New prices or else prediction prices. Can I say that actually? Prediction price tags equals to చెప్తారా sir, just assign these prices. Very good, that's it. Sir, get ready. Now the data frame contain input and data frame contain output also. Now anyway the data frame is ready. I just need output is a CSV file. What I need to do? Very good boss, very nice answer actually. Area dot, my answer will be area dot to underscore CSV. So just try to get ready. This one is a output.csv. What is that one, sir? Output.csv. Get ready, man. Run the code actually. Perfect. We're done actually. You can just try to come here, go to the very good. What is the file name? Output. Now here itself, look. Wow, such a great man. Children, if you want, you can ignore this index also. Ignore index equals to maybe some keyword argument we need to apply. Wow. Sir, I'm pretty sure you got a clarity, I guess, actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? For 100, this one is a price. 1500 square foot of area, this one is a price actually. Madam, are you getting everyone? Good. Conclusion of the story, my brother have given only single column. But what we done by using the model, we done prediction for all values. That prediction result, we added into the data frame. Now, my brother don't know data frame, right? Client need only the file, the result file. I cannot say, hey, come to my home. You can see the result in my system actually. That is a wrong practice. Even I cannot say, I can share this program with my brother and you can, I'm telling you run the program in your laptop actually. He's a non-technical person. Then we need to care them. What we need to do? Okay, data frame is ready. Now the comfort zone will be create the results, give this file to the client actually. That's what we done actually. మీకు అర్థమైంది లేదా సార్? గుడ్, వీఆర్ గుడ్ టు గో. Guys, this example many number of times you have to do practice. Great question, sir. Sir, you have shared EDA scenarios example. Can you share these Notepad++ with these examples actually, Supriya? Sure, ma'am, but okay. Let me plan accordingly. If these examples are really helping, then definitely I can share. Like here, you can see the steps wise. Am I right or not, sir? Steps wise, actually, it might be helpful for you. And here, okay, good. So let me just try to make a note on this one. And please check current directory for output. For output file, one small point. Let me tell you one small point. Tell me the file is opened already. Previously you run the file is open. Let me run the program one more time. Let me run the program one more time. Generally, the juniors are doing this kind of mistakes in company also. Yeah, make a note on this one. New error actually. What is that error, you know? Yeah, sir, first of all, you already run the program. You already run the program. You open the results. You open. That too, this is in open mode actually. This is in what mode, sir? Open mode. Now you are running the program. Back end, what happening, you know? Whenever you are running the program, it is trying to creating the file with output.csv. It is trying to creating the file with output dot what exactly? But already the file is open. How it will create actually? Then you will get an error. Error name is a permission error. What error? Permission error. Nothing is there. Just do one thing. You can close this. Rerun the program. Now you can check the timestamp. This file when it was created, sir, 5:59. Now what is the time? 3:63. It will override the file actually. Chudandi. The moment when I am running the code, it will override the file. Chudandi. Timestamp supposed to be changed. Changed actually. Did you notice? Small minute things, but you need to be understand actually. Okay. Hope you understand. What is error name? You tell me, sir. Permission error. I'm keeping all these examples in running notes. Please follow the running notes. I mean to say that. So doing prediction for group of areas. Group of what exactly? Area values. Yeah, you have to remind me. I need to upload the file. File name is a areas underscore areas.csv file. Sir, with the I'm sorry. Successfully we understand the example. Successfully we understand what exactly example. Can I ask a question? Sir, out of all discussion, 70% of the code belongs to pandas only. Will you accept or not? 70% of the code belongs to, we are loading the data, doing the data preparation and splitting the data. I'm going to help you now actually. But remaining, these are all, linear regression, machine learning discussion actually. So what you need to be understand is be strong in pandas. Be strong in pandas. That it will be helpful for you. Okay. Good. Fine then. Fine then. This we already done. Now let me explain again one more simple linear regression example. This one is a new example. This you can easy to understand. Straight to the point. Make a note on this one. There is a one small scenario. I will read the theory. Hold on. The scenario will be. Did you remember? If number of hours study is increasing, if study hours increases, automatically you will get a good score actually. Automatically you will get a, I mean to say, go back to the math, the topic name is called as a explanatory variable and responsive variable. And especially I have covered correlation actually. What is the topic name? What do you mean by correlation? Input column and output column having the relation. If it is having the relation, data will travel in a line actually. The direction will be upwards direction. What direction? Okay, if you really understand, correlation values in between -1 to very good. That's it actually. So same thing like that. That day I covered practical. I covered theoretically, but today practically we are going to see actually. Are you ready, sir? Yeah, good. There is a lot of data points we are going to take actually. Let's find the relation between mocks and number of study. Online team, are you following? Let me drink water in between. I need one response from everybody. Are you following or not, sir? Please. Sravan, sir. Dinesh. Nageswarav, sir. Shafina, madam. Thank you for responding. Mohammad Sarji. Okay, great going actually. Can we do these examples in Jupyter also? Notepad++ is kind new to adopt actually. Ma'am, for sure we can do. For sure we can do. But in a Jupyter, in a kind of some Jupyter, I mean, while you guys are doing practice, right? Make a note on this one actually. You guys can do practice over Jupyter. But let me tell you, Notepad++, we have to adopt actually. In companies, they are using Notepad in at least to take a kind of some examples. You should ever actually this one. Okay, fine then. I understand. I understand. You know, so small change actually. We just try to shift to Notepad to Notepad++, Notepad++. That's it. Okay, cool. Let me continue. Now we are going to find the relation between, let's find the relationship between marks and what exactly? Number of study hours. We wanted to find out the marks for the given number of study hours for the students actually. Whenever you are going to plot, get ready, you know, on x-axis we are taking hours and y-axis we are taking kind of some percentage. It is having the relationship each other. Where there is a relation, you can draw a regression line. Where there is a relation, you can draw a regression line. Go back, straight to the point, direct example actually. This formula, I hope you might ever actually make a note on this one. Y equals to mx plus b. Yesterday also I covered actually. Now, yeah, direct attack example. Fine then. Make a note on this one. First, maybe the last example I can just try to explain very quickly. Loading the data set. Talk with me, sir. These are all steps, right? Sir, important steps. Please make a note on this one. Print. Step number 1. What is the step, you know, sir? Simple linear regression. Did you install Notepad++? You have to install. Why? Because, you know, we are using in company. Just to make a note. There are some short notes actually. Notepad++ is the best actually. Now step number 1. Step number 1. What is the step number 1, sir? Talk with me. Importing the libraries. Good. Step number 1. Now you can just try to importing the libraries, Daniel. Let me just try to import pandas. Then next step will be Chaptara. Can somebody tell next step actually? Loading the dataset. What is the next step? Loading the dataset. df equals to pd.read underscore csv. I hope you might aware about this one. And here you need to apply students underscore scores dot csv. Wow. Sir, 4th steps we are doing practically today. Why? Because lot of data. Student underscore scores. Sir, what other file can I use for this example instead of student underscore score? Sir, the example I have prepared for this data set and you have to still use the same data set actually. No, okay, hold on. Let me tell you one small point. The point will be now, Tim, we almost done one simple linear regression. Simple linear regression example. Am I right? Example. If you are looking for more and more what exactly examples, especially based on domain, kind of some you can ask a question, simple linear regression on banking domain example. What domain example, sir? Banking domain example actually. The next one, you do one thing. I'm looking for banking domain, 10 examples. How many examples? What you can do, you know, this I can talk with you later actually. Go to the Google. You know about the ChatGPT? You can just ask ChatGPT. You can just copy paste and see simple linear regression banking domain 10 examples with code and data. Sir, this is such a powerful tool actually. It will give, sir. Trust me, it will give one by one. Good. Predicting customers' loan amount based on income actually. Okay, this is one of the scenario. So they're applying especially machine learning algorithm. Very good. Directly they are creating array data. This one will be input and this one will be output actually. Any idea what is this? Class, and total line is a object creation. Splitting the data set we are doing now actually. Yeah, after model is created, can somebody talk with me? What is this? Method, training. We are doing training actually. Any idea what is this? Prediction. Almost we can find the similar points. Now these are all we can talk. Yeah, scatter plot we are doing, plotting we are doing actually. Such a great, sir. You can just try to find the example also. See, like this, you can find out lot of examples in a chat GPT. This is a kind of some assignment. You have to take it out, and oh my god, still 6 to 10 examples. Still it is, so printing. It is asking. You can apply similar steps to another example such as boss. Give me the code actual. Please. It is not giving the code for other scenario. Is it given? Is it the 10th example? No, 5 only it has given. Boss, give me the code please. It will give. Sure. It is giving actually. Then it's supposed to start from 6th number. Predicting the loan amount based on income. Again, it is giving the starting actually. Okay, I'm sure you can do actually. Can I ask a question? Here I'm keeping banking domain, right? You can apply e-commerce domain. You can apply healthcare domain. You can apply healthcare domain actually. I'm sure, sir. Are you getting everyone? Yeah, make a note on this. It's okay. All right. Let me just try to execute this example. And I just need to run this example. Wow. We have a lot of data, sir. Do you wanted to see the data set actually? Open. I need to delete this row. Open student underscore scores. Yeah, make a note on this one. This one is the hours column. This one is what column, sir? Scores column. Yeah, please make a note on this one. So and so student. This is something like a, per week. Weekly he is spending 2.5 hours and a 21 score, 5.1, 47 score. Let me tell you, especially entrance test exam. What exam? For last 1 month, last 2 months, how long time you are preparing, that really matters actually. Like a kind of some weekly or else daily, that really impact your score actually. It really impact your score. First of all, if you study more, you will get what exactly, sir? More score. That's it. Now let us find the relation actual. Is it really, having the relation or not? We are going to find. Yeah, good. Here we are applying head method. I hope you know actually these are all. Plotting the data. What we are doing? Plotting the data. Come on, let's do that actually. Daniel, special step, Daniel. Tell me, boss. Yeah, no, ma'am. Good question. Let me tell you. Imagine there is a student. I can say S1 student. He is spending 1 hour and he is getting a kind of some on an average 10 score. Student number 2, 2 hours and he is getting a kind of some 22. Student number 3, he is spending on an average 1 hour, but he is getting the score will be kind of some 35. Are you with me? When you're talking about the data, yes, of course, the data will be unpredictable. But we are creating the model. We are creating what exactly model? Model will understand. It's not like 1 means always 10. 1 can be 35 also. That model can understand. Model will do little math actually. In between these two values, it will do average value. Then it can give the return actual. Okay, valid question. Hope you understand. That's the power of the model. If it is 110, 220, 330, we also can do prediction. Are you with me? Good, good. Let us just try to, sorry, sir. Sorry, online team. There is a one question from offline. That's what I have answered. Let us plot the data. To plot the data, step number 3. Step number 3. What is the step number 3, sir? Any idea? Did you remember step number 3? Data. Okay. This one is a, let us keep like this one is a special step actually. Data visualization. Let us just try to come on. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Now here is the story. PLT.x label. We are giving the title. We are giving the title. The next one, we need to tell X label and Y label. Then you can just have to call plot. Plot means we are exactly what we are doing, we are creating a line. We are creating what exactly, sir? Line. Let me tell you one small point. Plot. Generally, that is a function in a matplotlib. But in a data frame, there is a method. Method name is the plot. That's the power actually. By using data frame, we are plotting the data, right? And X equals to hours, Y equals to score. From the data frame, it will take this column and it will keep on X-axis. From the data frame, it will take scores and it will just try to plot on Y-axis. That's a beauty. Meeku ardhamainda leda sir? Good. Now you can just try to apply PLT dot what exactly? Show. Sir, let us start the show. One minute. Why these two times? Now there is a one small glitch, I guess, somewhere. That's okay. Here also you can say the same actually. Why? Because plot is a function, that one is a such a way that, and that function can draw the plot actually. Maybe 1 minute. We are getting empty plot first actually. Ma'am, come on, let me answer this one first of all. I just wanted to confirm that plot also method which is available in data frame, we can still draw the diagram also. But DF having no capability, it cannot display the kind of some graph. Then we have to depend upon the matplotlib actually, right? Maybe let me follow the order. Maybe because of the order, it might be plotting actually. Let me follow the order. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. I hope the order impact, I guess. That's the issue, sir. Previously, I kept these are all things, plt.title, plt.label, these are all above, right? It is impacting actually. Anyway, only in this scenario. Come on, look at my screen. Did you understand? By looking at this data, you can easy to understand that data is traveling upwards direction. What direction? Can I say yes, correlation actually? What is that one, sir? Let me tell you, good relationship it is having. If X value is increasing, positive. If X value is increasing, automatically Y value also increasing. Okay, make a note on this. The point will be creating plot. Now move on to the next one. Team, get ready. Prepare the data. What do you mean by prepare the data? Input and output. Anyway, this special step is not required actually. Step number 3, Daniel, data preparation. X equals to, the next one will be Y equals to. Good. Hold on. Yesterday what I done, single column data frame dot values I applied actually. then you will get a array data. You will get what exactly? Array data. Then next one, over this series I applied values. Over this series I applied, that is the one strategy, that is the one way. Today let me show you another way actually. What is that another way, you know? Good. By using ILOC also you can get according to our shape actually. If anyone is asking by this time what is ILOC, my answer will be invalid question actually. What question, sir? By this time. Why? Because you know we already covered actually. A long back we have covered. By using LOC, that day I told LOC, ILOC we are using in machine learning. Here is the story actually. Just to bring our shape into the data. I will tell you, don't worry, I will tell you. Sir, ILOC, comma separator. What separator? Comma separator. If you are using comma separator, after comma separator, especially column symbol, let me tell you data frame, you will get result actually. What result? That too, you are providing at last. -1 means last column, single column data frame. What data frame, sir? Single column data frame, you will get actually. Now you are applying the dot values. This one you have to do little R&D, then only you will get a clarity. And after comma separator, if you are providing a single number, then series. What is that? Series. Let's do that one actually, we'll get an idea. No, Daniel, I won't like this syntax means apply yesterday's syntax. Apply what syntax? You have to drop target variable, then you will get a single column data frame, then you need to call dot values, then it will be single column array. It will be single column array. Here you will understand either you really done practice on LOC and ILOC actually. Okay. Yeah, come on, sir. Let us read. Importing libraries, loading the data set. Next one, data preparation. Data preparation. What is the next step? Splitting the data set. That we are doing mandatory now actually. Step number 4, splitting the data set. Important step we are going to learn actually. To split the data set, did you remember? You need to call a function, sir. Whenever you are printing X, it should be single column array. Yeah, exactly. Whenever you are printing the Y, it is a array. First of all, row data. What data, sir? Great. Hope you understand. Splitting the data. Now let us just say to call splitting the data. Yes, man. Sir, to split the data, what we need to do? Just try to call a function. Function contains how many parameter? 2 parameter. You need to provide input and what exactly? Output actually. Okay, cool. You can just try to move on. Wow. Sir, test size also we are providing. Test size equals to how much we are providing? Test underscore size we are providing. Then, you know, if you are providing as a 0.2 in the sense, the ratio is a 80-20. What is the ratio? 80-20. Along with that, random underscore state also we are providing. What it mean? Any idea? One time shuffling, remaining time constant data. Am I right or not, sir? Now here is a story. This function return how many variables? 4. Tell me the order. X train, X test, Y train, Y test. Perfect, sir. X train, X test. If anyone missed this session, hold on, sir. If anyone missed this session, sir, you missed a lot actually. All the best for your career. That's what I am telling. Be regular actually. Wow. We are ready, sir. We are ready. Now, what is the next step actually? Can I take this one into the running notes? It will be helpful for you. Steps. I'm keeping all the code in running notes. Steps of from 1 to 4. Just for one small point. Can I write these are all points just for fun, just for you know, one time purpose actually? These are all steps. Make a note on this. Okay, importing libraries and till to the what exactly? Splitting the data set. Great going. Now the next one will be, sir, model creation. What is the next step actually? Model creation. Model creation. Yeah, if you want, you can print X train and X test and Y train and Y test also. We already done this example practice. X train and X test, and you can print Y train, Y test actually. Y train and Y test. Okay. And 80-20 ratio. What ratio? 80-20 ratio. Tim, what exactly happened here, in this scenario? Let me draw the diagram. This one is X. This one would be Y. From here to here, X train. Here to here, X test. Can somebody say? X train, right? What is this? X underscore train. What is the ratio? How much actually? Very good, 80%. Then what is this value? X test. Great. And how much value? 20%. Great, sir. Now, this value will be, sir, this diagram gives lot of clarity. Y train. What data? Y train. How much percent? 80%. And this would be Y test. How much, sir? 20. Great, man. Then I hope you understand everything clearly. Now here is the story. Here is the story. Good, get ready. More the next one, model creation, Daniel. The next step is a model creation. Now, first of all, import the model. Yeah, we are importing the model. The model name is a linear regression. Yes, of course, this one is a model which is available in sklearn actually. Let me talk with online team. Online team, everybody, are you following? I need response from everybody, sir. I'm waiting for your response actually. Just show me that you are more active with your response. Good, then very good. Let me not, let me not waste your time actually. Good, great going. Let us import this model. Man, follow the material and follow the document and do thoroughly more practice actually, you will get an idea. Successfully have imported the model. After model, the next step is a model creation. What is the next step, sir? Model creation. Step number 5. Step number what exactly? 5. Can you tell me what is the line I need to write here? Model creation. Chappan sir, how to create the model? Model equals to linear regression. Yeah, good. It just to have created an object. Let me run this one. Yeah, Daniel. Model created actually. Okay, cool. Model created actually. Steps from 1 to 5. What is the next step? Any idea? Model training. Sir, here is the beauty. Model training, right? Hold on. Step number 6 kada? Step number 6. Sir, make a note on this one. If small data, splitting is optional. Splitting is what exactly? Optional. Then model dot fit method, directly you can provide input and output. Listen carefully. If small scale data, then what is optional, sir? Splitting is optional. Splitting is what exactly? Optional. Optional. Then during the training, you can provide directly input, comma, what exactly? Output. Now here is the story. If big data, then, so split the data. Splitting is mandatory. Splitting is what exactly, sir? Mandatory actually. So mandatory, compulsory. Then here is the story. Model dot fit of, yeah, you should not provide x comma y. What data you need to provide? Go to the diagram. Go to the diagram. Where train would you do have actually? X train. That is the input actually. Where again train would you have? Y train. Many students are doing one common mistake actually. Where splitting came, what mistake they are doing, here especially what we need to provide will be x underscore train comma y underscore train, but not y underscore test actually. Sir, that's what the terminology is important. Whenever you are looking at this diagram, here this data set we have to use for training purpose. What purpose actually? My father have used this data set for training purpose. Okay, that's what this diagram also remind me end of this session. Fit method, here we need to provide x underscore train comma y underscore train. That's what I am sure you are pretty clear. Let me know if anyone having any question actually. If the splitting step came, fit method will take x train y train. Simple. I need a response from you. Fit method will take x train and y train. One more time, x train and perfect. Why I'm highlighting this step, because you should not do the mistake actually. This one is a valid. Model dot fit off. Model dot what exactly? Fit off. Hey Daniel, can I take x train comma x test actually? Sir, you will get error. First of all, you will get error actually. Daniel, at least can I take fit off? And here x underscore train comma y underscore test actually, you will get error. You will get what exactly? Error. That's what, listen carefully. That day I told the name of the variables are constant. Here it will be helpful. Train and a train. What is that? Chappan sir. Train data set, and this one should be train data set again actually. Meeku ardhamainda leda? Okay, good. Hope you understand. Why? Because many people will not highlight this point. Many trainers, but you should ever actually. All right. With my explanation, I hope you understand. I need your help actually. Model dot chappandi. Fit method. Can I provide x comma y? Then if you are providing x comma y, why you done splitting actually? Are you with me or not, sir? You can still provide x comma y, but what is the need of splitting actually? You already done splitting, then don't provide x comma y. Don't provide what exactly? X comma y. Chapan sir, x underscore. Do you think test actually? No, it is what exactly? Train. The next one will be y underscore. Perfect. I hope you got a more clarity from this diagram. Look at the diagrams are more clear. No jantar mantar. You no need to confuse actually. Model dot fit of x train, y train. That's it. We done actually. We done. Next step. Let us just try to run this step actually. More clear. You got a more clarity, I guess. Yeah, model training also done, Daniel. Then after model training, what is the next step actually? Prediction. Steps from 1 to 6. As usual, we already know. We'll get intercept and what exactly? Coefficient. I hope you know how to capture. Intercept value, you need to call a special attribute, and the coefficient value, you need to call a, so coefficient value. Coefficient value. One small secret let me reveal today actually. Coefficient value. Whenever you are calling the coefficient, it returns array. It returns what data? Array data. If it is a single feature, single coefficient. If it is a two features, two coefficients. Three features, three coefficients. Come on, I'm repeating again. Imagine you are training your model. If the data set having single feature boss, what feature? You will get a single coefficient. If the data set having two features, then tell me two coefficients. That's what it written array. That's why as of now we have only one feature, but in upcoming example I will show you. I will take a multiple features and you will get a multiple coefficients. Are you with me? Good. Make a note on this. Anyway, intercept and coefficient you can just try to capture, you will get an idea. It's a right time for prediction. It's a right time for what exactly? Prediction. One important information. Go back. By looking at the coefficient, you can understand one small point. The point will be, sir, simple. If you increase your study hour, get ready, you may get a 9.9% guarantee score. that increasing score you will get actually. I mean to say, now let me tell you, imagine 1 hour you are studying. Already you got a 10 score actually. 10 score you got it. Now, are you planning to increase another 1 hour actually? Right? Then get ready. 10 plus, how much score you will get? 9.9. Coefficient will talk about that one actually. Okay, it can talk about that one. Then on an average, I can say 20 is the score. What is the score? 20. Indirectly, the coefficient will talk with you, sir. If you increase 1 unit of change, if you are trying to increasing input will be 1 unit actually, get ready, output can be impact the coefficient value. The coefficient, how much coefficient actually? 9.9. 9.9. What is the previous score? Talk with me. 10. Previous score plus this value actually. Now that's what I am explaining here. Important information. This means that for every 1 unit of change in our study, then the change in the score will be what exactly, sir? 9.9. In simple words, if a student studies 1 hour, so 1 hour more than his previous studied for exam, then he can expect achieving score will be, he can include actually 9.91, he can include actually. That's what you need to be understand. Doing prediction. Now successfully model is trained, sir. It's a right time for doing the prediction actually. So we need to use to test data. Here is again one more important point actually. What is that important point? Yeah, go back. It's a right time for prediction. Print of step number 7, prediction. చెప్పండి సార్, మోడల్ డాట్, లెట్స్ మెయింటైన్ సమ్ గ్యాప్, ప్రింట్ చెప్తారు మోడల్ డాట్ predict of, and here you can provide individual value. You can provide what value? A kind of some so and so student 4 hours of study. Yeah, good. You will get a prediction score. You will get what score actually? Prediction score. But machine learning algorithm is designed not to do the prediction for single value. Machine learning algorithm is designed to do the prediction for group of values. What values? Group of values. Get ready to understand. Now, for predict method, you need to provide testing data set. What data set? Now get ready. Here is the story. We already used X-train. We already used what exactly? Y-train. Now it's the right time. Team, you know what? Model dot predict method we need to call. What method we need to call? Predict method. For this predict method, what we need to provide, sir? X test data set we need to provide. Hey, Daniel, why? For prediction, what is the input variable actually? X test. That's what X test we need to provide actually. X test we need to provide. This one is a prediction result. Many people have a confusion. You should not provide Y test, sir. You should not provide what exactly? Y test is the original output. Y test is what exactly? How can you provide original output? You have to provide input only. You have to provide input. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా sir? Now let me explain one more time. Fit method parameters X-train, Y-train. Talk with me. X-train, Y-train. Predict method parameter should be X test, sir. Predict method parameter should be what exactly? X test actually. If you want, go back to my father example. Go back to my father example. My father have collected almost all 100 images. He done splitting 70-30 ratio. This is something like a 70. And now here onwards, my father is showing the testing data set. Now he is asking, he is showing the input actually. He is showing what exactly, sir? And he is asking output. Tell me what is this image? Definitely there is an output actually, right? Now what exactly we need to do is, this data set we need to provide. I mean to say, online team, I hope I am more clear, I guess. If you are still having any questions, I'm happy to help you. Let me know. Yeah, that's what you need to be understand. If you are really understand, let me ask you one small questions for you. చెప్తారా sir? I will ask a few questions. Get ready to understand. Model dot fit method. What is the parameters we need to provide? X underscore train. Next one will be Y underscore train. Then next one, model dot online team hold. Yeah, yes sir, please. Online team hold on. We know we have a admin here. Maybe some update, I guess actually. Yeah. I will explain, sir. No, itself I will explain. Yeah. Team, let me hold the session for 2 minutes. So session for a couple of minutes actually. Let me tell you, we have one great update actually. That's what you should aware. I already know this update, but let me tell you, you are new to this update actually. Let me tell you one small point. The point will be, so I'm sure you might aware about the Naresh IT. Yeah, right? So let me tell you, this is not only for a training. This is not only for what exactly, sir? Training center. And we do have so generally speaking, what students they will think, they can pay the fee, they can what exactly, sir, pay the fee, and they can just try to learn the course actually, learn what exactly course, and they can close the discussion. That's it actually. But let me tell you, we do have some new paths for you actually. What are all new paths, sir? After you done the course, and Naresh Shetty is going to conduct kind of some one exam actually. What is that, sir? This exam name is specifically, it is called as a screening test. What test, man? Screening test actually. It is called as a screening test. Now, maybe tomorrow you will get an update actually. Hold on. Tomorrow, you will get an update. You will get update in a Google Classroom. Google Classroom. What kind of screening test we can update with you actually. Right. Now, let me tell you, this screening test should be only offline mode, sir. I'm sorry for saying this one. This one will be only what exactly? Offline mode. So you have to come to the this screening test. What are all topics would you have, for not only data science students, would you have a Java students and full stack Python actually, and the next one will be full stack Python. The great thing will be full stack data science also would you have. These are all things would you have a kind of some screening test actually. So you guys are belongs to, don't say Java please. What is that? Data science. I hope you might ever actually. Who are all not sleeping, you can listen very carefully. Now let me continue. Once who are all selected for this screening test, here is the actual path. It will be start here, sir. Actually, there is a, sir, 1 month, right? 1 month free preparation, 1 month kind of some free preparation. This free preparation especially for placement preparation. That is called as a placement actually. Placement preparation. Team, let me tell you, we would have a separate placement cell. So at Naresh IT, we have integrated with one of the companies actually. Those companies directly, they used to come to the Naresh IT, they used to recruit actually. This process is exactly happening at Amirpet location, and here also it is going to happening actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. And along with that, placement assistant also. That's what even I said with you. We have integrated with the companies. If you are really doing nice work and if you are qualified in the test actually, get ready. We are ready to help you. That's what I wanted to tell. And maybe these details, complete details, you are going to get tomorrow end to end. The offline screening test, the date will be, we are going to get a test. The date will be exactly when it will be, sir. Sir, what is the date? 19th March. 19th March. And make a note on this one. This one will be 2 p.m. actually. This one will be what exactly? I request you don't miss anyone. It will be really helpful for you actually. Am I clear, everyone? Any questions here? Let me tell you what is the institute name. Yeah, please make a note actually. And that would be why I'm asking, try to refer your friends also. It will be, sir, we have a backend team. The team is always working in the backend actually. I hope you might aware about the Naresh, sir. Sir will tell only one thing. Just try to give the best to the students. We are trying that one actually. And you also need to do prepare more actually. I hope I'm clear. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, thank you. Fine, then, sir. Thank you. I hope we're done. Yeah. Yeah. The last one more point. Let me add. Internships actually we are covering the free internship also, which contains the live projects and the placement preparation also. In a placement preparation, kind of some I can call as a CRT training. communication skills, interview preparation, and technical interview, and placement assistant also. These 3 points we are highlighting actually. Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, it should be whole, sir. It should be whole syllabus. Now hold on. Let me pick out any questions actually from online team. What is online students? We have to come there, and is there on July? Sir, what? Let me take the questions one by one actually. Sir, only offline student. Rishi sir, I'm sorry for saying, the test is conducting only offline. Even there is a reason. Previously, once Naresh IT conducted online test, let me tell you, all students, they got 100 out of 100 actually. I'm sorry. I hope you know what happened in the back end. I'm sorry for getting. That's the one of the reason. And sir, what about working people? We cannot attend in offline students too actually. Syed sir, we are sorry. This one is only for offline. Offline in the sense, the test is for everyone, but the test we are conducting offline mode actually. Sir, is it only for 19th March? Sir, like this, every month or 2 months we are going to conduct. Every 1 month or 2 months we are going to conduct actually, right? What about online students? Do we have to come to there actually? Your question having answer, sir. Yes, exactly. At Amirpet location, no, in KBHP location. In KBHP location also, the exam is going to conduct. Is this screening test? It will be whole syllabus actually. Yeah, it will be on whole syllabus. But try to attempt. Nothing is wrong. Meanwhile, you will understand. If you are from Naresh IT, any branch you can attend. We have several branches. Almost we have more than 5 branches actually in Hyderabad location. More than 5 branches. You can give exam any location. Fine then. Ayo, battery is low. Yeah, sorry. That's great. Good man. Fine then. So can I continue the topic today? Sir, can I continue? I need your time. Sir, when you are running these exams at the date actually. Sir, let me tell you. I'm not conducting exam. Naresh Shetty is conducting exam. But maybe I will involve in the paper creation actually. Maybe, so we have a different team. Last time I prepared the paper, I have given actually that I should not reveal. Good, great going. Maybe let me just try to take it this one. Yeah, back to the session. Come on. So doing the prediction. To do the prediction, you need to call a method. Method name is a predict method. What method, sir? Predict method. We'll do one thing. First of all, what I can do, did I copy this example? Control here. Steps from 1 to 7. 1 to 7. And doing prediction for single value. Single what exactly? Value only. We are doing prediction only for single value. But now let's move to the next step. Now here is the story. Let's do prediction with X test data set. What data set, man? X test data set. Make a note on this one. Now here, directly we can pass X test data set. But before that, let me print X test actually. Sir, there is a during interview, I used to ask this question. During interview, I used to ask this question. Let me try how really you understand actually. You can just try to pass this value. And you can just try to print this one. Y underscore prediction. Sir, this one is called as a Y cap value. What value? Y cap value. So regressor. Regressor in the sense model. Model.predict of X test we are providing. Are you clear till now? Good. If you are really clear till now, let me run this example. Wow. Make a note on this one, sir. Here, what exactly happened? For 1.5 hours of study, this one is a score. For 3.2 hours of study, this one is a score. Respectively, these are all X test data set. These are all, talk with me. Do you think y test actually? Predicted value. What value? That's what you need to be understand. Yeah, that's what that we can check later by using error value. So now hold on. I will tell you one small important point. Sir, let me tell you, during the training, my father is showing one image. My father is showing what exactly? One image. 71 image. Then I replied the image is a dog. I replied image is a, sir, this one is a prediction. This one is what exactly? Now definitely my father will validate actually by looking at the X test data set. If it is really dog, my prediction is the right. My prediction is what exactly, sir? Right value actually. That's what you need to be understand. Conclusion of the story, if you are giving X test actually, you will get a Y prediction value. What value? Yeah, Y prediction. Later, you need to take that Y prediction value and Y test value to compare the result. To compare what exactly? Are you clear about? Yeah, good. Sorry, man. This diagram is important, sir. Let's capture this diagram. Uh, I'm repeating again. Predict method will take X test data set. What test data set? X test data set actually. Now previously one student asked a question. Daniel, here can I give Y test actually? Can I give what exactly? Y test. Sir, first of all, to do the prediction, what we need to provide, sir? Input. If you are providing Y test actually, sir, you are giving output actually. You are giving what exactly? Invalid scenario. We should not give like that. We should not give like that actually. That's what I'm highlighting. That is very, very important step actually. Yeah, comparing the, this one is a kind of some little comparison. You can just have to take the predicted value. You can just have to take what value, sir? You are calling the predict method. These are all predicted value. And you can just have to take a actual value also. Actual value is called as what exactly, man? Y test value. Yeah, you can just have to do the little comparison. What is actual score actually? 20. And what is the prediction score? 16. On an average, 4 is, I can say 3.2 is the difference. What is the difference? There is a little error, that is okay. There is a small error that is accepted actually. The next to 27, and there is error actually, that is okay. And 69, even little error, that is okay, you can expect actually. Daniel, I don't want big error. Then you can modify the model. You can optimize the model. You can fine tune the parameters. That I can talk later actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. Once you done the prediction, you can compare what is the actual value and what is the prediction value. What is the prediction value? You can compare actually. Make a note on this one. Though our model is not very precise, the predicted percentages are what exactly are close to the actual value. I cannot say this is the right prediction, but this is okay. This is okay kind of prediction actually. That we have to accept. Okay. Maybe this one is upcoming topic, sir. Upcoming in the sense even not tomorrow actually. If you wanted to understand this topic, you have to understand about the cost function actually. Maybe this I can talk tomorrow. What is this topic I can talk tomorrow? Team, these are all important and we have to practice. We will continue in the next session. I need your help. What are all things I need to upload actually? Please, 1 minute. Third one is assignment for you. That assignment I can give tomorrow, but today you guys can do the practice meanwhile. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, online team. Let me just try to take this one. Yeah. Please take care, sir.
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు నేను కొత్త డేటా సెట్ తీసుకొని చేసుకుంటాను. అంటే ఒక్కసారి డేటా అనేది మోడల్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత అది రాంగ్ ప్రెడిక్ట్ చేయట్లేదు సార్. అంటే 5 టేబుల్ తీసుకుంటాను.
కరెక్ట్.
నెక్స్ట్ మొత్తం అక్యురేట్ గానే ఇస్తుంది.
అవును.
తర్వాత మొత్తం అనే వాల్యూస్ తీసేసి 1 5
ర్యాండమ్ డేటా ఇచ్చారు, డిఫరెంట్ డేటా ఇచ్చారు.
అయినా కానీ యాక్యురేట్ గా లోపల ఏం చేంజెస్
1 minute, let me tell you. Sir, first of all, మనం తీసుకున్న డేటాని 1 5 2 10 3 30 అలా మనం తీసుకున్నప్పుడు డేటాలో యాక్యురేట్, మనం ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో దట్ డేటా ఈజ్ యాక్యురేట్ యాక్చువల్లీ, బట్ వీ నీడ్ టు టేక్ రియల్ టైమ్ డేటా. దెన్ మోడల్ వర్క్స్ వెరీ వెల్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
డేటా మొత్తం డిలీట్ చేసింది సార్. డిలీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత 2 వే వాల్యూస్ వచ్చాయి.
ఓన్లీ 2 వాల్యూస్ ఏనా?
అంటే 1 5 ఉంచాను, 40.
But let me tell you, in a real time, you should not like a 1 or 2 rows actually. It should be huge data set. And but it will give. But that is a not right way actually. And we should provide lot of data. Intentionally, I have taken small scale data. Today, I have taken big scale data actually. Okay, fine. Ma'am, tell me. Give me 1 minute, I will explain. 1 minute. You can stand here only, I will explain. Do you have book, ma'am, actually? Do you have a book actually? Yeah, you can just have to bring. Oh, what are all data sets I need to upload actually? And this one should be 9.1. Yeah, correct. Student scores. Yeah, yes, boss. And I hope I need to upload areas data set in the yesterday example, right? Am I right? I need to upload here. I edit. Areas, I mean to say. You got it, I guess. Correct. Let's upload here. Online team, thank you for joining. Thank you. We can meet again tomorrow.